Good morning. Hi and hello. Good morning. Things have changed a bit. Sebastian has gained weight. AJ, that I started. Do you think they noticed? Dear ones, let's wish Sebastian lots of health. Sebush is recovering on sick leave. Crappy, lousy months. You know how it is. We'll handle it. You know the thumbnail. You don't know yet because I just called you over. We're making the weirdest smoothie shakes in the world. Oh, I like that. And now, just so you know, I prepared it because I asked artificial intelligence to come up with it. 4 of the most unusual, surprising, and potentially delicious shakes in the world. They are supposed to include ingredients that normally wouldn't go together, but after blending, they create something unique and enjoyable to drink. All right, and now each shake should have a main name and 2 alternatives. He will give me the ingredients in realistic proportions. A brief explanation of why this shake tastes amazing. Also, the tone of the description should be laid back because we're chill guys. Witty, with a bit of humor and a wink. That's exactly our vibe. You wrote so much for him, of course he has to say such a long prompt, because I don't know if he could manage to say all that at once. I have the proportions and we'll make them together, but this isn't one. I just prepared what he wrote for me. All right then, when it comes to blending, that's our partner. You know the brand, it's appeared with us many times. Blendigo. The plus is that Black Friday is coming soon, Mr. Christoph, and it's worth buying useful gifts too. So, and now, attention, I'm revealing something here. The lowest price so far is 179 zlotys for a blender like this. So that's how it's going to look. And we'll be putting things in here, making drinks, and getting on with it. We're starting with the first shake, which is good. You know that Blendigo can blend nuts, chocolate, and ice cubes. So we don't have to worry because the chat said we should melt it, but I'm not going to melt it if we can just blend it, so it should turn out the same, so we'll skip that step for now. Watch out for the venomous wasabi white snake. That's what the chat called it. Alternatively, Tokyo Venom or Sweet Heat Deluxe. Good names, good ones, but let's get to work. Anaconda, come on. The blender is charged with USB-C, and on one charge, it can do 25 cycles like this. We need 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Ooh, I see someone has already been snacking on this. All right, I have to admit, okay, that's 1, maybe 2, because you're not the type to weigh the ice cream. No, but wait, then why did I need the scale? I don't know, that's just how we cook here. 120 milliliters of milk and 25 grams of white chocolate. I tear it so I don't have to add it up, and I have written down here a bit of wasabi paste. Careful, I'm afraid of this. Okay, go ahead, put it on my finger. But all right, you know, spicy, salty. Why is this going to be the best in the world? I'm reading. The creamy sweetness of the ice cream and white chocolate ends with a spicy kick that wakes you up more than espresso. This shake doesn't taste like a dessert, it's culinary adrenaline in a glass. This won't just be a hit, it'll be a knockout. Let's go. But the color is beautiful. Hey, I'll get the glasses. I have them. You have them. I don't think you need to hold it, or do you? Not working so elegantly. I have one nice one, and then we'll eat. And the glasses. Oh. Oh, but you know what? I'll be honest with you. I'm curious because, ooh, you know, what kind of egg liqueur, man, you just want it. And the consistency of this is amazing. You see it's pudding-like, not so much pudding. I'll put this aside for washing. It's so easy to wash. You just inject water, dish soap, that's right. And you turn on the blender again and it'll be clean. Ooh, yeah.
Even I can handle that.
That's brilliant for me.
You gave me a bit too much and I didn't.
Wasabi at all. For me, it tastes like a Kinder Surprise for adults.
The cocktail itself is delicious, but I can taste the horseradish too much. I'm not a fan of wasabi, so it's not really for me. But that spiciness makes it good.
It's spicy. It burns down the throat. But I don't know where that wasabi with chocolate came from. That's it. A game is a game. It's a combination that had to be written somewhere in a book. Primoj.
Please, I'd like to make a statement first. I used to come here with someone for testing, but he dropped out, so I started. Now from today, I'm coming with
a clone of myself for testing.
So I'll put him here.
I'll put it this way, I won't tell you.
Don't tell him anything.
Probably not with milk, probably with some almond, something plant-based like that. Oh damn, whoa. On one hand there's sweetness, but on the other hand there's something slightly sour in the background. Well,
the way he holds the pickle with that hand, I see it again.
But it's weird.
Are you playing the flute or what?
It's like I ate chocolate with, I don't know, something savory, but with a kick.
This is the milkshake you have to make.
So you don't overdo it. I'd give it a 9 right away. Same here.
Oh, you'll stay with us for the second one, of course, live. So, do you know a life hack for quickly washing a blender? Oh, you do. Okay, then you handle the blender and we'll make the second one. But what I did, I put aside. Look.
Look, gentlemen, a drop, click, click, click. I can come back to you here now.
All right, Kuba, come on, let him wash.
That's how you wash in the 21st century, Snap. You don't need to stay here too long. Listen, there's nothing special going on here.
No, you'll have to be with us at the seaside Primosem.
You'll be making British Blue Bliss or Sir Cheese a lot. Why will it be the best in the world? Because he turns blue cheese into a pop culture star. The combination of honey, milk, and Stilton, which is that blue cheese, is like jazz in your mouth. Full of contrasts, but perfectly in sync. It's a shake that proves the boundaries between dessert and dinner have just disappeared.
Beautiful description, Cheese.
Convince me?
It's going to be awesome. It's going to be hardcore. It's going to be hardcore in my opinion.
Let's not include everything. Not the total grams, but...
There's the weight and...
You have a molecular kitchen here.
Oh, that means a sphere of potatorium.
130 ml of bitter skyr plus 15 grams of blue cheese. Ah, so he chose that proportion and we won't let Christoph off the hook here. He loves blue cheese.
Especially this kind.
This is his favorite cheese.
But salty and sweet, it will be so good, but... Oh.
Mom, 17 is what he wanted. A teaspoon of honey, so you pour it here from this. A teaspoon is 5, but we're making more. I have walnuts, but no measurements, so let's just sprinkle them in. He gave me 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream again. Come on, Krichu, bring back the ice cream.
They ordered me.
Not just one, but a bit more right away, you know.
And the second one...
It looks like a mango.
These scoops are kind of small. What ratings do you give before blending?
I'll play it safe and give it a 6.
I'll give it an 8.
I believe in it because maybe that blue doesn't dominate.
The ice cream wasn't good, but there wasn't too much of it. I mean, that's good. There wasn't too much of it. Awesome. Hey, since I'm reading on my phone, I forgot to mention one more thing. This is for you too. If you want to buy this blender the manufacturer gives, if you buy it during the promotion, they throw in an iPhone 17. That's for you. If you order it, we have a lot in the company. Each one has its own color, so it's okay, but what about you? But, well, yogurt flavor.
But with a twist.
It kind of tasted a bit like a dish to me, you know?
A bit green.
It honestly smells like a dish.
But for me, this is the strangest thing I've ever drunk.
Hey, there's only a smoky aftertaste left.
It's a bit like liquid cheesecake to me, like cheesecake in liquid form. It tastes like cheesecake. That's the filling you want to bake, but before your mom does, half is already gone.
Yeah, that's it. I imagine those milk drinks, like those Miller Mill ones, they sell this kind of flavor. Hey, it's awesome.
I won't match that one, but give it a 7. But if you give it a 7, I'll give it 7.5.
Because that's fire for me.
I give it 8 because I love it. Homogenized, what's it called? Cheese.
No, he's still washing it down with blue. Oh, Jesus.
So Primoz washed our black one. Now you're making smoke out of it.
Oh dear, that's mine, that's me.
Go Cookie Monster Smoothie. Whoa!
It has to be...
Awesome names in general, yeah. Cheesecake on the Rock is also awesome. Cheesecake on the Rock in Polish means liquid cookie cheesecake.
But if it's on rock, it doesn't work at all in Polish.
No, it doesn't work. Now pay attention. Why? Is this the world's best shake? Because it's the easiest way to eat cheesecake. You're telling him about cheesecake, right? To eat cheesecake without baking and without a plate. Creamy, sweet, and slightly fruity. It's like someone put a Sunday afternoon in a blender and pressed Pure Happiness Sunday afternoon.
That's just chilling.
But really, if you wrote an email to someone in chat language, like, I feel like I put a Sunday afternoon in a blender.
First, I pour the juice.
100 grams of vanilla yogurt, 100 grams, so make it 150. Good point. To that add, 2 tablespoons of forest fruit mousse and 1 more. No, make it 2 tablespoons of crushed cookies.
I just poured it in. I could have crushed it.
I would have just crushed them like that.
How many of those cookies did you say? 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons, that could be about as many cookies.
That's 30 grams, right?
2 tablespoons.
Okay, put in 4 cookies or something. How much cream cheese is there? 70.
70. The cheater attacks. Let's start. Yeah.
Hey, that's a nice color.
Right away. Hey, but it's kind of strawberry-like. Hey, it changed color, but what? Was it the cookies that did that? Hey, and why is there a banana here?
I didn't have a banana in the ingredients for free.
Well, because this isn't safari.
So hey, there's a banana from the fourth one. And
I already thought that one was for Marcin and to share.
this is Archie, the healthy one who hasn't eaten yet. Let me pour you some.
We're pouring.
But this one has the coolest texture.
Yeah, but it's like it has.
Actually, but with the fruit it looks...
Like it had those strawberries.
But it's fluffy, the fruit.
But damn, it's fluffy.
Don't you know that's what cheesecake is like?
Well, exactly.
But it's good that you're not here.
Everything's cool.
Everything he said, because those are recipes from the chat. Zad comes up with them and everything he said. Everyone who comes to the blind test repeats that he'll make us cheese.
Since I'm driving lately, Magda made it, and if I just warmed it up to drink...
Then
Actually, this one for...
this is a light gravel from that cheese. Yes.
I imagine, there are companies that make liquid meals, like a whole dinner and a drink. Yeah, imagine that. I've never bought it, but I imagine that's what it tastes like. That,
So you don't even need to use your teeth anymore, you just drink, nothing else. Lunch.
For me, that's an 8, 8.5.
I'll give it a 7.5 because the cookies really bother me. Well, let's wash the blender and move on to the last one. So far, they're all tied, it's crazy. All of them are at number 4, just like our group, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sesame Energy or Middle East Wake Up, and in Polish, simply tahini on caffeine, and you tahini paste. Exactly, that's what sesame paste is. Tahini is like peanut butter, only it's made from sesame.
Seriously, hey, cool. I haven't tried it, really. I've never eaten it. It smells nice. Oh,
Damn. Oh, Jesus. It's like fudge. It's sticky. It's like some kind of glue.
But it doesn't squeak. I told you first, according to the key that Chad got, why will this be the best in the world? No.
Why will this be the best in the world?
Because it will combine coffee, bananas, and tahini in a way you can't forget. It has the strength of espresso, the creaminess of a smoothie, and an oriental twist that turns an ordinary morning into a journey. At a cafe in Tel Aviv, we'll ask for a double espresso.
super. Oh.
But it's like tar, oil, and axe. But look how beautifully the color matches the decor.
But it will match with those two. How did that dude know?
Finally kill it already.
180 ml of oat milk.
I see that he has a different blood. Yeah, that's right.
This will probably be good.
180.
A teaspoon of tahini and a teaspoon of maple syrup.
And a banana, and I blend it all together. Masters, all right. But let's go and eat.
Jesus, look how this turns into a mousse.
This will be delicious. Just not too strong with coffee, please.
It will definitely be quite strong, yes.
I'm just curious if it's sweet enough, if the syrup and the banana will really bring out that note.
Oh man, this stuff is awesome. I know it'll be delicious.
But if these were ingredients that suited me, I would fall in love. Delicious. Because when someone makes coffee,
It's probably the finest blend. Based on the shake, which he didn't like at all, he said that if he liked it, he would fall in love.
He didn't disappear, but that's why he didn't win. It was the tahini that killed it.
Hey, but I'm supposed to say the banana didn't win. You can taste the coffee, you can. You can taste the coffee, but it's a nice drink, but it's sweet. If you have your own favorite ideas for shakes, write them in the comments. This matters to us since we'll read and definitely test one. It's messed up. You know the taste.
It's coming up.
Coffee, it tastes like my childhood.
Thicket, sweet and sour. I had a thicket-like childhood. There's that bitterness of coffee and tahini, but it's more on the coffee side than the egg side.
No, here it's 2.
strong coffee for me, good.
Listen, this is exactly my point. This is exactly my point. I'm having fun here. This is my 10. This is such a hit.
You have my kind of...
7 and no 8, like an 8, 7, 8.
This is a piece.
The foam is sweet with a light, very light note. Banana, because here banana didn't win at all. Banana usually wins in everything, yes.
But the banana actually solved the problem. So it's not bitter, it's not just all like that.
Everything, medium, damn.
I wish I could understand you.
Someone who likes coffee, who drinks coffee every day, will definitely be, especially cappuccino. And if you also like light foam, you'll be delighted.
Gentlemen, I'll just say this since it's time for a summary. 4 shakes after my reaction, so I'm already stepping back from these summaries. Okay, I give this one number 1, but an undeniable 10. And to the one that was here. Well, I have Tokyo Venom, which is what we called it.
That was number 1 for me, yes.
Tokyo Venom,
Tokyo Venom.
and you, Christoph, are cookie bourgeoisie to me.
All right, everyone has their own cool thing.
Although Chad gave 3 names, everyone still has theirs. Dear ones, thank you for today's episode. Blend, remember that if you're going on a trip, on a journey, you want to surprise your friends, put a blender in your pocket. And also, attention, put your tahini in your bag.
You serve something like this to your boss.
Raise.
Just what I needed.
banana, instant coffee in the car. You're already doing it, man. That's an awesome idea. You've got it in the car. You can have a banana, you've got coffee in a thermos, and in the jar you've got healthy fats, carbs, and sugars, banana coffee for a boost. If you take a shot of caffeine and sugar, you'll get to your destination like a champ. Write that comment. Don't forget what to blend or what not to blend, because what are you blending?
It's very simple. We blend it by.
We blend, leave, wait. I didn't see myself. We blend by.